Here at Hellwig, we specialize in load and sway controls, specifically steel helper springs and sway bars. Here at Hellwig, we do a bunch of cool stuff with steel. We've got big multi-ton machines that are pressing and bending hot steel into place. We've got our furnaces that are getting that steel up to temperature. So just being here and walking the plant and on the manufacturing side, seeing how the product's actually made, it's really cool.
My favorite thing about working here is the environment. Being able to work with others and share ideas and just put to use what we're learning.
My favorite part about working here at Hellwig is the family environment. It's very easy to get up and want to come to work because it's good seeing all the faces. We actually have a relationship.
We have a great team here. You know, every little part that you do, regardless of your position or, you know, if you work in the shop, in production, in the office, everything comes together. So it's really important for that team to be strong.
Oh, outside of work, yeah, we get together and do a lot of fun things, fun family things together. Like go fishing, have barbecues, things like that.
I would say the family ambiance, the closeness with everybody working close together.
If anything comes up family related, our team here is very much like a family. So we always make sure that everyone's taken care of if they need time off or anything like that. I have a son, so I definitely need health care to cover both of us. It was definitely an incentive, and they do offer a really good plan here as well.
Well, right now I have insurance for me and my daughters, and a family plan, and retirement for the 401k. Pretty much I got into that too. A lot of benefits, you know, compared to other companies. Yeah, they look out for you. Good company to work for.
I really enjoy being part of this team, which is a fourth generation family-owned business that's been doing it for 75 years. So that heritage and that lineage means something to me personally.
The fact that we're American made, that I do have pride in that and that I'm a big part of that. You know, I'm in production, I make the bars that go on the car. So every bar, every Hellwig bar that's on a car out there might have been something I've made. That's cool.
It makes me proud to work here, to know it's a family-owned business, you know, here in the United States. They've been at it for years, and they're a major part of the automotive world.